Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. LPG gas begins its journey at oil refineries. Crude oil is extracted from underground reserves. Massive drilling rigs bring crude oil to the surface.
The oil is transported to refineries.
At the refinery, oil is heated in distillation towers. Different gases separate at different temperatures. LPG mainly consists of propane and butane. These gases are separated and purified. Impurities are removed for safety and quality. The purified gas is stored in large tanks. LPG is cooled and compressed into liquid form. Pressure is carefully controlled. Engineers ensure safe processing at all times. A special odor is added for leak detection. LPG is transferred through sealed pipelines. Cylinders are manufactured separately. Strong steel is shaped into cylinders.
Parts are welded together securely.
Cylinders are painted and labeled. Cylinders are tested for leaks and strength. Empty cylinders move to filling stations. Machines fill LPG into cylinders. Filling is done under strict pressure control. Each cylinder is weighed precisely. Quality checks ensure correct filling. Leak detection systems scan every cylinder. Valves are tightly sealed. Safety caps are added to protect valves.
हिफाजत के लिए कैप्स लगाई जाती हैं।
Large warehouses hold thousands of cylinders. Cylinders are loaded onto delivery trucks. Trucks transport LPG to cities. The journey continues across long distances. Cylinders reach distribution centers. Workers unload and organize cylinders. Smaller vehicles deliver to shops and homes. LPG reaches local retailers.
Customers purchase filled cylinders.
The cylinder is connected in kitchens.
LPG powers cooking safely and efficiently.
It produces a clean blue flame.
LPG makes everyday life easier.
It is also used in industries.
En den uttaget with zerblenchen in zeden.
Safety precautions are always important.
Always turn off the valve after use.
Check for leaks regularly.
Emergency services handle accidents.
The LPG cycle continues every day. LPG is used worldwide. From refinery to your home, LPG powers life. Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.